Happy welcome to PLSQL programming language. The PLSQL programming language was developed by Oracle Corporation in the late 1980s as procedure extension language for SQL and the Oracle Relation Database. PLSQL is a completely portable, high-performance transaction processing language. PLSQL provides a built-in interpreted and independent programming environment. PLSQL can also directly be called from the command line SQL plus interface. Now I create one PLSQL programming. For example, Fibonacci. Declare the variable ABCIN in integer data type and begin with assign the values a equal to a equal to 0, b equal to 1, I equal to 3. Now print the AB values using dbms hyphen output dot put hyphen line. Again dbms hyphen output dot put hyphen line for using loop and calculator a plus b equal to c. Print the c value. Now assign the value a equal to b, b equal to c, in the loop in the program using la using la slash symbol. How we see the output like this. Now procedure. A subprogram is a program unit model that performs a particular task. The subprograms are combined from larger programs. This is basically called to modular design. A subprogram can be invoked by another subprogram or program which is called the calling program. A subprogram can be created at and schema level inside a package. Now I create one procedure program in PLSQL cube program. I declare variable x in number data type. The procedure cube hyphen Number 1, I write this line, begin x, x value calculator, end the begin loop, and the next begin for assign the x value, print that value, close the end. This is one of the procedure example program, and one is important thing, that is when we work PLSQL must be give set server put output on. DBMS output line, you see print x value in the program, we see output C like C. Thank you.